In this video, we show you how to make a modded server for Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want your own Bedrock server where you and your friends can play with all kinds of custom add-ons and mods, this guide is for you. So first, we need the official Bedrock server files. You can go to minecraft.net, and once you're here, you want to go to the support tab, downloads, and then click on download the Bedrock Edition server. Select your system. Mine is Windows, so I'm going to select that. Check the EULA if you agree and click download. You can save it anywhere on your PC. By default, it's going to go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Before we get started, the methods I'm about to show you are perfect if you like doing things yourself. We'll go step by step so you can have your own Bedrock server running mods exactly the way you want. But if you want a simple, quick, and safe method instead, where your server is online 24/7, you can check out Apex Hosting, which is the sponsor of this video. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link in the description and pin in the comments. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. Alright, now you'll have the Bedrock server. It's in the zip file, so we have to extract it first. Right click on it, hit extract, and then hit extract again. So now you have it in a folder. You can open it up, and here you'll have your server files. And what you need to do is open up the bedrock server.exe. So just right click on it, hit open, and it'll start the server. Let it run a little bit. The server is making all the necessary files and folders you need. And after you see resource packs and behavior packs on your folder, you can close this. And now we're going to install the mods. So to download it, you can go to curseforce.com. And once you're here, you want to go to view all right here and select Minecraft Bedrock. Go to browse all and you can look for the mods you want to download and install. So on the left, you'll have add-ons, maps, texture packs, scripts, and skins. Let's click on add-ons. This is what we call mods in Minecraft Bedrock. So scroll down and look for the one you want to download. For example, I want to download this, Serve Bedrock by Zcheck. So you can click on it to go to the page. And here, go to the Files tab and download the latest version. It's okay if it doesn't match your server folder, just look for the latest one. So it's gonna be this for me. Click on the three dots and hit download file. Save it somewhere in your PC, hit save, and the download will start. Alright, so now I have the mod I want to install, but it's an MC add-on extension, so we have to extract it first. So what you can do here is right click on it and then rename and change MC add-on to zip like that. Hit yes, and now you can extract it. Right click, hit extract, and hit extract again. So now let's open up the folder, and inside it you'll have two folders, one for behavior pack and one for resource packs. But in my case here, it's still in a zip file, so I need to extract it first. Alright, I've extracted into a folder, so now I can delete this. And what we're gonna do is put these folders into the server files. So for the behavior folder, you wanna go to behavior pack, open it up, and then simply drag and drop it here. Like that, and that's done. Let's go back, and now for the resource folder, you want to go to resource pack, open it up, and drag and drop it here. Like that, and everything is done. Now we're going to tell your server to load those mods. So in your server folder, look for worlds folder, open it up, and then go to Bedrock or Bedrock level, and here look for JSON files. If you don't have it like me here, we can create it. Right click, and then new, and create a new text document. And then you're going to name it world behavior packs.json, like that. Hit OK, and now we're going to create one more JSON file. Right click, new, and create a new text document. And for this one, you're going to name it world resource packs.json. Hit yes, and that's done. Now let's edit this up. So let's start with behavior packs. Right click on it, click edit in notepad, and here you need to paste this code. You can check in this video's description. And now we need to change the pack ID and version number. And to find the correct one, you want to go back to the mods folder and look for manifest.json. You can right click on it and select edit in notepad, and here you'll have the UID and also the version. So you can copy this and then paste it here for the UID and do the same for the version. Right click, copy, and paste it here. And that's done for the first one. You can click file, save, and close this. Now we also need to edit the resource packs JSON. Go to the worlds folder again, and here right click on the world resource packs.json that you just created. Select edit in notepad, paste the line again, and you're gonna do the same. So let's go back and go to resource packs, go to the mods folder, and here look for manifest.json, right click on it, select edit in notepad, and here let's copy the UID and paste it here. Let's do the same for the version, copy and paste it here like that, and that's done. Click file and hit save. Alright, now everything is done and you can launch your server. So let's open up bedrock server.exe again, double click on it, let it run for a little bit, and after it's done loading, you can launch Minecraft. Once you're in the game, from the main menu, just click play and then go to server, and here click Add Server. And then you can set your server name. So let's say Minecraft Bedrock server. And for server address, you need to put in your IP address. If you're playing on your computer, you can use your local IP. To find that, you can open up CMD and then type in ipconfig and press enter. Here, look for IPv4. Beside that, you'll have a number, and that's your local IP. But for your friends to join, you'll need to port forward your router and use your public IP for the server address. So you have to share your public IP to anyone who joins. To find your public IP, you can search on Google, what's my public IP? Click one of the websites on the top, and your public IP is the IPv4. Note that you have to be careful with your public IP because someone can attack your home network if you messed it up. For the port, if you're following my method, you don't need to change this. So now you can click Add Server, and you'll have it in the server list. And now you can hit play, and after you click that, it'll ask you to download resource packs. So just click download everything and join, wait for a bit, and if you do everything correctly, you'll spawn into your world with the mods. As I said before, to invite your friends, you have to port forward and share your public IP to them so they can use that to join the server. If you want a quick, simple, and safe method instead, where your server is always online and there is zero router hassle, you can check out Apex Hosting using the link in the description. If you still want to do the manual method and port forward, we have a video covering that, so go ahead and watch that.